Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a habit tracker in a week with Google Sheets by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do, you just need to create new documents. But here I would like to show you the first step. So here is the blank documents. So actually, to create the habit tracker, we need to boxes or check boxes. To create the checkboxes, we need the data validation, but then sometimes in a Google Excel or Google Spreadsheet, there is no data validation option. So that to anticipate this, you just need to go back and we just need to use the template that provided by the Google Sheets. We just need to go click a to-do list. And now let's just copy this boxes later. So we just need to create a new tab by click this pause button. Now we already have this blank document. So a weekly tracker, let's add information here. You just need to go click this pencils button and type weekly habit tracker, and then we need to add the table. So the first table will be I will gonna put the first table on the B5 here. So in the vertical or in the column B, I would like to use as habit / days. So I would like to fulfilling this several cells here with the habits and some columns with the days. So I would like to start it. I would like to make it fast. And now I already have this habit. So the habit that I would like to track in a week is a breakfast, drink 2 liters water, 20 minutes exercise, and 10 minutes reading a book. So in the column here, I would like to type or fill in with the day. So I would like to make it fast. And here I already have the days and the habits. Here I would like to make a table. So let's just block all of this part and add the border by click this part and just choose this. And for the title, I would like to change the color so that it can be like easily differentiate from the titles and the information. Just need to go click this part and choose the color that you want to use, as well as the habits part. Just go drag, block all of the cells and pick the color. And now we already have this. I would like to make it all on the center. So let's block everything and just simply click this part. Now all of the information is stay in the middle. Okay, and don't forget to go click a bold so that it will be easier to read. And for this part, I don't want to make it bold, so I will inactive the bold. Okay, now we get it. And then for the next, we need to fill this square part with a checklist box. So the things that we need to do, go into the first page, and after that just click this boxes twice, and after that you just need to go click copy, click done, and go into the second page, and after that you just need to block to fill all of the days and track and habits, and after that just go click it and go click paste. Now we already have this checklist boxes on this part. Don't forget to add the border. My bad. Let's block all of this and at the border line, go click this part and add this. Okay, so now is the main tutorial. So how to create the tracker. We need to use a function. So you just need to go click this pencils button, and after that you just need to click an equal and just type percent if this function. And after that you just need to block all of the cells from Sunday to Saturday. And after that you just need to add a comma, space, and true. True will be refers to the boxes, so whenever you check the boxes it's gonna be true, so it will be counted here. Then after that, go click done. Now let's do autofill for the rest of the cells here. Block it, click, and do click autofill. So you can see if in a Sunday you are not skipping breakfast, means that you have a breakfast in Sunday and then the habit is done, just click the boxes and there will be increasing the tracker. If in a Monday you do a breakfast, go click it again. Click it again whenever you skip, just don't click the boxes if you skip it. And there you go. If you do that, you can track that how many percent you succeeded for doing the habit. So that's the way how to create a habit tracker on a Google Sheet, guys. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.